The stay-at-home work order has ended in the UK. All your old work clothes don't fit anymore and you have to go back into the office. Mess up. Big mess up. But luckily for you and me, I have some amazing items to share with you guys in this video. Hello my beautiful hunts, I hope you guys are all doing well. If this is the first video of mine that you're stumbling across, hi, my name is Michelle. I do videos mainly around fashion and travel, and then I sprinkle in a little bit of anything extra that I want to talk about. I'm hoping by the end of this particular video it convinces you to subscribe. Actually, I think you're gonna love me by the end of this video, so just click the subscribe button right now. And to any of my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. So in this video today, I'm going to share with you guys some new in bits to my workwear wardrobe. So I am in a situation where some of my workwear wardrobe doesn't fit me because I gained weight during quarantine. Some of it that didn't fit me actually does fit me again now because I am losing the weight that I gained, alhamdulillah. But also it's that time where I need to revamp my work wardrobe. I usually revamp my workwear wardrobe every 3 years-ish because I like to invest in quality pieces. Now quality doesn't have to be expensive, but just really good pieces because it's workwear. I'm going to be wearing it again and again quite a lot of times. I'm going to be washing it again and again. So I want it to last me for as long as possible. Before I even get into the pieces, I just want to give you a few tips on how to make a capsule work wardrobe. Now you guys know me, I am not a minimalist, I'm a maximalist. The only thing or the only place in my wardrobe where I am a minimalist is my workwear wardrobe. I work in the medical field, particularly surgery, so I have to get up pretty early in the morning. So for my workwear wardrobe, I like to know I have this, it works with this and this. If I have too many options, I'm going to be late for work thinking about what I should wear. My top 3 brands I would say when it comes to workwear are number 1, Mango is absolutely amazing. Number 2, Karen Millen, and number 3, which is new, is actually Oasis. And then I also have like a bonus H&M as well for some of the basics, but I found better basics in Oasis than I have in H&M, which is why Oasis has come into this. But those are the 3 places that I usually go to get my clothing items. Now when it comes to bags, I like to go for either Coach or Ralph Lauren because they have really good leather good bags that last me for a long period of time, but I always get them on discount or I get them at the outlet store. So there's a Ralph Lauren outlet store in Bicester, and there's also a Coach outlet store in Bicester as well, and TK Maxx. I love TK Maxx. I know some people are like, oh my god, I can't get through like the rails and all that stuff, but I absolutely love TK Maxx, and you can get good quality bags in TK Maxx. So this is my first workwear bag, and this I actually got from TK Maxx. I don't actually know what brand this is from, but if anyone knows what brand has this sort of emblem, let me know. Guys, I need to get my nails redone, sorry. But yeah, if anyone knows what brand has this sort of emblem, please let me know. But it is 100% leather and it fits so much. It fits I have a 13-inch laptop, can fit that in there. Also my diary, I also fit my iPad in there and a whole heap of other things, my purse. And I love the fact that the strap is quite long and I can hold it like this. If I can find it online, I will leave a link in the description, but if not, I will put some alternatives. Also for my workwear bags, I like them to have feet. I try to avoid putting my bags on the floor, but it's harder for workwear bags. I love my bags. I don't think you should baby your bags, but I think you should at least take care of them. And no bag should be on the floor. This is my second workwear bag, and as you can see, it is from Ralph Lauren. I picked this up in the Bicester Village store, and I believe I got it for about £95. Ralph Lauren in Bicester is one of the stores that usually does around the Christmas period or any sort of special period. They do an extra 30% off the already discounted outlet price. So I got this there. It's red. Red is one of my favorite colors, so I need to have a red bag in my collection. So those are the best places to get workwear bags. Now when we talk about workwear shoes, I usually like to go for either ASOS or Russell & Bromley. Russell & Bromley do really lovely loafers, and for work, loafers just work so lovely for me. For workwear heels, I like to go for court shoes. I don't like them to be too high, and I don't wear heels that regularly for work. I'll link some in the description bar below. Oh, and Dorothy Perkins, how could I forget DP? So comfy, so simple. Even girls who don't like wearing heels, you'll be able to wear those heels. So now that we've gone through the bags and the shoes, let's get on to the clothing items. The ones you can see here, the new clothing items I have in my workwear wardrobe. So first up, I have this gorgeous dress from Karen Millen. One thing I love is dresses. I'm definitely a dresses and skirts type of of girl, and that transitions into my workwear wardrobe as well. Dresses make it easier for me because I work in surgery. I have to get undressed to wear scrubs, so it's just easier to take a dress off rather than if I have a trouser and a top or like a fully suit blazer type situation. It's just so much harder, whereas a dress, one piece. The one thing I love about Karen Millen dresses as well is that a lot of them come with a belt, whereas when you usually shop from other websites, when there's a belt you usually have to buy it separately. So I love the fact that Karen Millen, actually the belt that you see on the dress is the belt that you get. So this dress has this white lapel hair, it also has this white section hair, it has sheer arms, and the quality of this is so amazing. This is definitely going to be one of my staple dresses in my wardrobe. Now for my workwear dresses, I don't like them to be tight, I don't like them to be figure hugging, I'm not trying to cinch in my waist, I'm trying to be comfortable. I do still want them to, you know, really look nice on my figure. However, that's not the main purpose. My main purpose for workwear clothing is to, one, be comfortable, two, be stylish. Like if something is comfortable but not stylish, I will still wear it for work. However, if it's comfortable and stylish, then it ticks all my boxes and it will be in my workwear wardrobe for quite a long period of time, and this has both of those. Next up, I have another dress from Karen Millen, and this is in this lovely camel color. The thing that drew me to this dress is it has this pleated detailing at the bottom. Now this dress, I will say the high neck sometimes does feel a bit restrictive when I tried it on. However, I love the way it looks. Once again, a dress very simple to get in and out, has a zip at the back, and the pleating detailing definitely sold me. And I like the fact as well that it has pockets. They're not large pockets, so you can't fit too much in there, but it's a decent amount that I can, you know, like I can clip my badge hair, or I can put like any little trinkets. I wouldn't put a pen in my dress pocket just in case it leaks, but if you did want to put a pen, you can put a pen in it. Next, let's get into some tops. Now I really like a crisp white shirt or crisp white top. White or cream tops are what I gravitate to in my workwear wardrobe, which is kind of annoying because I always have to have at least 6 that are clean and freshly ironed and everything, because there's 6 days in the working week and you cannot repeat a shirt. You need to change your shirts every day, okay? I don't care what anyone says. So yeah, it's a bit annoying, especially when they're white. You definitely have to. I'm not that clumsy, alhamdulillah, but accidents happen. I'll see if I can just pop it up here, and it basically is this white top. Now this is from Oasis, and it just has this sort of waterfall draping detailing at the front. Now the cuffs are a bit casual because you have to tie them on, but I think I can get away with it for work. It's in this really light material, which I love for spring and summer. I can also wear in autumn and winter because this is the kind of top I would get a lot of wear out of whenever I'm wearing like my suits or my blazers, or even, no, I wouldn't put a cardigan, but definitely my blazers. I like to wear more lighter and airy tops just to counteract those like heavy wool sort of blazers that I have. Next, I'm going to go on to the skirts, and I actually only picked up one new skirt because a lot of the skirts that I currently have in my collection still fit me, alhamdulillah. The one skirt I did get was this one from Karen Millen. As you can see, it's quite bright and quite red. That's another thing I didn't mention. So on a day-to-day basis, I love wearing bright colors. I love bold colors, you know, yellows, oranges, and reds are my favorite colors. However, as you'll notice in this video, a lot of my workwear wardrobe is more of those neutral colors. One, because they're easier to mix and match, and two, because in my workplace, I'm not trying to make a statement. I'm not trying to be loud. I am trying to be very, very stylish because it's just in my nature. Like, I like to look good, but I also like to look appropriate, and bright colors don't really go with my line of work. I know there are some creative fields where you can be a lot more bold with your outfit choices, but mine is, it's not corporate, but it is quite formal. So I like to stick to those neutral and those classic colors. But red is a color that is a classic and somewhat a neutral, and you can definitely get away with it. So I do have a red dress in my workwear wardrobe, and I was in need of a new red skirt. I got this one from Karen Millen. Now I'll be honest, with this one, I thought it was going to be more of a thicker material, like more of a cotton material, and it's more of a very stretchy material, still good quality. However, yeah, it's not what I was expecting. The thing I like about this is that it has this little detailing or this little flare at the bottom, but when I saw this, that's why I thought it was going to be a cotton material. But it is really nice. I think every woman needs a pencil skirt. Pencil skirts are my favorite type of skirts for work. They're just my favorite type of skirts in general. I think they look amazing on every body type, and they just like give such a nice silhouette to your body. The last dress I got was this one, which is from Oasis. No, this is from Coast, my apologies. Yeah, this is from Coast. Now this is a tad bit risque risque. There's a tad bit of cleavage. I would only really wear this if I knew I was going out after work. This is definitely one of those things you can wear to work, but if you're not too comfortable with like accentuating your figure, you might not want to wear this to work. Really like this dress. It has this ruching detailing in the middle. It's a midi length, which is very appropriate, and I just think it looks stunning. It's in that classic black and white color, so once again in those neutral tones. Next, let's get into some trousers. Now, I believe everyone needs some straight leg slim trousers. I think they look good on everyone, and try to get them in, once again, those classic colors. So I have this one that I got from Oasis. Firstly, the color, it's in this gorgeous maroon color, but I like the fact that the button basically goes in one direction. I don't know why, it's just those little quirky details that I find are so cute. But yeah, the button basically goes more towards the left, and I like that it's this gold sort of button detailing, and this is very comfortable. Another place that does do straight leg trousers quite well is actually Zara, and they have some affordable ones. My last few pairs were from Zara, and they're about $25.99. So I will say Zara do quite good ones, and they have lasted me for a long period of time. But I saw this one from Oasis, and I wanted to pick it up and just see how it would fare, and so far it feels like amazing quality, and I love the color. Really like the color. The next trouser I got is a wide leg one, and I believe that everyone also needs a wide leg pair of tailored trousers. These are ones that I've actually already shown you. I wore these in my Valentine's Day lookbook, and I love them. They can take you from day to night. Now, they are a bit like on the excessive wide side, and they're very high-waisted, very high-waisted, but I love high-waisted trousers, and they're in this lovely forest green color. Once again, very appropriate for work, and something that I can pair with a lot of different outfits, so I know I'll definitely be able to get quite a lot of wear out of them. And yeah, I just really like these trousers. I like the fact they have the belt loops as well, so you can put a belt with them. And the quality, again, these are from Karen Millen, and Karen Millen is just like blowing my mind right now because the quality is definitely worth the price. I know that their clothing items are a bit on the more expensive side, but I definitely think that they're worth it because yeah, the quality is unmatched. And then lastly, we're just gonna get on to some blazers and some suit sets. So the first, well, this is not a suit set, it's sort of a blazer jacket, but it's this one here. This might look quite similar to some of you guys that follow me on my Instagram, so I actually have this. So it's a set, it does come with a skirt, and I have this in a green color that I did shoot for my Instagram, and then I saw that it was in a black, and I thought, you know what, this would be really good for work. I was in the need for a new black sort of blazer type jacket, and I really like it. It does have somewhat of a vintage feel because it has these, I don't know what you call these shoulders. They are padded but not excessively padded, but yeah, I just think it looks really nice. Once again, amazing quality. Oasis, the quality of Oasis clothing as well, amazing. And yeah, really simple, definitely a staple that you need to have in your workwear wardrobe. Next up, I got this set from Karen Millen, and this is from their edit with Lydia Millen. So she is a blogger, content creator here on YouTube and also on Instagram. Now, I will say I love the way this looks. Absolutely love the way this looks. However, the quality of this, I was a tad bit disappointed with. It's not the same quality as, for example, the other items I have from Karen Millen, and I'm really shocked because number one, it is a blazer, like it's a waistcoat, but I don't know if you guys can even see from the video, but you can see that it gets crinkled quite easily, so that was a bit annoying. However, I do really like this set, but I don't know if it's worth the price. This is the first thing ever that I've got from Karen Millen that I'm like, is it worth the price? And it was a bit shocking because it's a blogger edit, so I thought they would put a lot more emphasis on the blogger edits, and I have bought items from the Lydia Millen ex Karen Millen edits before. I think she does quite a few, but it was one of her first ones. I got this red shirt and trouser combo, and I still have that today. I wear that for work and on a day-to-day basis, so I was shocked when this came, and I was like, it's not giving what it's meant to give. And then lastly, but by absolutely no means least, I got this trouser blazer set from Mango. I picked this up in the sale. It is in this gorgeous wine red color. You guys know red is one of my favorite colors in the world. I love this. I absolutely love this. Like, number one, this is made from 100% wool, and I can't believe the price I got this for. I think this was down, the blazer alone, so you buy them separately. Actually, I can't remember the price, but if they're still available on the Mango website, I will link them below. But Mango has some of the most amazing sales ever, and I was really on the lookout for a fully wool blazer, especially for autumn and winter in the UK, because this year hasn't been that cold. It's actually been quite warm, which is quite scary, but last year autumn and winter was cold, like cold, freezing cold. So yeah, but this just looks the quality of this, like I said, Mango is definitely one of my favorite high street stores, and the quality of this is so amazing. So amazing. For my workwear coats, I always try to get them in wool. If I can't get them in wool, I try to get them in a really high quality polyester. There are two types, well, there used to be two, now they've got a bit more point. Now there's 3 coat styles that I have in my workwear wardrobe. The first is a wrap coat. I like the fact that you can just turn them on, wrap them, and good to go. The second is a structured coat, and the structured coat is the one I'm actually going to show you today. So I have this one from Karen Millen. This was gifted to me, and baby, this coat, firstly, it's in this gorgeous burgundy wine red color, which is my absolute favorite color for workwear, but it's 100% wool, and then it has this shearling detailing on the collar and also on the side of the arms, and yeah, this is just a work of art. Sort of a wrap coat, but a structured wrap coat. Now with this coat, I would say either get your size or get a size down, because I got this in a size 16 because I like my coats to be super oversized, but this style of coat doesn't need to be oversized, so I could have gone with a size 12 actually, but I don't mind the 14, but I know that the 12 would look even better. So those are all the items that I got. Let me know in the description bar below what item was your favorite, and I hope that the tips that I mentioned in the beginning of the video are helpful to anyone, whether you're a graduate or college student going into your first job, or whether you're a seasoned 9-to-5er that has been working for ages. I hope that I've shared something for all of you guys, and if you enjoyed this video, I think you might like this video right here, or possibly this video right here. Click on either of those and let me continue to entertain you. I hope you have a good morning, evening, afternoon, or whatever time you're watching this video, and if you're not already subscribed, click that subscribe button. You've got to the end of the video, you like me, and also make sure you have your post notifications turned on for me so that you never miss an upload.